Put the money in the bag! Put it in!
You're facing the wrong way, sir.
All right, give me the money!
Okay, I'll try.
Gary! You are gonna finish your dessert, and you are gonna like it!
Oh my, this purse is so big and heavy.
Hold it right there, ma'am. I'll be taking that.
Ah! Help! 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 Where have I seen this before? Here it is.
Bologna with a side of flim-flam and an order of chive. See? Who's the one with the problem?
Look what you've done. This is my livelihood.
Sure it is. And this isn't the formula that you don't want. Come on, eh? Eh? Whoop, too slow. Excuse us, miss. Huh?
Now it's time for a little wakey-uppy.
Morning already? I feel a little funny today.
Yeah. I have you now. SpongeBob?
I think I'll just stay up here a while. It's such a nice day and all.
Nonsense, boyo. Just climb on down.
No, I'm good.